What if I told you that you're only using 10% of your brain? And what if I told you that was a complete myth? But what would really happen if we could use 100% of our brain's potential? Would we unlock superhuman abilities? Would we become geniuses overnight? Let's find out. You've probably heard that humans only use 10% of their brains. But guess what? That's completely false. Neuroscientists have debunked this myth for years. Studies using brain scans show that almost every part of our brain is active even when we're sleeping. So, where did this myth even come from? Some believe it started in the early 1900s when psychologist William James suggested that we only tap into a small portion of our mental potential. Hollywood took that idea and ran with it, creating movies like Lucy and Limitless. But reality is far more fascinating. So let's imagine for a second what if we actually could use 100% of our brain all at once? Would we gain telepathic powers? Would we become human supercomputers? Well, not exactly. The brain is already working at full efficiency just in different areas at different times. If every neuron fired at once, it wouldn't turn you into a genius. It would likely cause a seizure. Instead, intelligence isn't about using more of the brain, it's about using it more efficiently. Some people do have exceptional brain power like memory champions, chess grandmasters, and mathematical geniuses, but that's because their brains are wired differently, not because they're using more of it. But here's the real question. Can we train our brains to be smarter, faster, and more powerful? Absolutely. Studies show that habits like reading, solving puzzles, and even meditating can physically rewire your brain. This is called neuroplasticity. Scientists are even experimenting with brain-computer interfaces that could one day enhance our intelligence. Imagine a future where we could download knowledge directly into our brains. Like the Matrix. It sounds like science fiction. But we might be closer than you think. Scientists are even experimenting with brain-computer interfaces that could one day enhance our intelligence. Imagine a future where we could download knowledge directly into our brains, like the Matrix. It sounds like science fiction. But we might be closer than you think. So no. Unlocking 100% of your brain won't give you superpowers, but training your brain can make you smarter, sharper, and more capable than ever before. What brain hack are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing facts from Brain Bites. See you in the next video.